Hi, today I want to make a weapon from Apex Legends. It is Rampart Heirloom and it's also crazy Oli skin just like charge rifle that I made before. And so many people watch and like my videos on TikTok. Even crazy Oli herself comment on my video. So without further ado, let's go to the tutorial. First, you have to print all the templates in A4 size. I put the link of the templates in the description. Now you can cut all the templates according to the pattern. And for this part, you can connect them together using tape until it looks like this. Now you can copy all the templates to EVA foam. By the way, for the material, sizes, and all explanation are listed in the template. Then cut all of them like this until all separates like this. Now for this part, we need 3 layers. But for the second layer, we need to draw the center line like this. Then we can cut it with pen cutter and glue them together until they looks like this. Don't forget to cut the connecting line like this. Now take steel wire and insert the steel wire inside the line like this so it doesn't bend easily. Now you can glue this part to cover them together. Next, take this part, then you can glue to the side like this. And for this one more detail, just glue to the side also until they looks like this. Do the same technique to the other side. Now we're gonna make the base. We also need 3 layers. Just do the same technique as before. And don't forget to cut the center line like this. Now you can add steel wire, then cover with the 3rd layer until they looks like this. Now we want to make it like this so we can slide it up and down. So we have to cut this part until it looks like this. So we can insert it like this. Now we need to cover both the right and left sides with this detail until it looks like this. But as you can see, there is a tiny hole here because the circle is too big. So we need to add thin EVA foam like this until it looks like this. But don't worry, you will get the right templates. Now we can slide it up and down like this. It's a little difficult, maybe because it's the first time. Or maybe you can sand it a little bit with Dremel so it can be slide easily. Now we can glue all the small details until it looks like this. Now for the detailed lines, we can just draw according to the pattern, just like in the templates. Next, we can cut the detailed line that we made using pen cutter like this. Then you can use heat gun to open up all those lines and to close all the tiny holes from the foam. Now draw this detail both the right and left sides of the handle until it looks like this. For this detail, we don't have to cut it with pen cutter. Now we can paint all the surface with dark gray like this until it looks like this. Yeah, there is no difference actually. Don't forget to paint all the base also. Next, paint the details with red. But the result is not that great, so I have to paint it with white first, then paint it with red afterwards until it looks like this. Don't forget to paint this part also. And we're done. So that's how I made Rampart Heirloom. Link of the templates in the description. Follow my social media because I do give away a lot. And if you want the ready-made from me, I can make it for you. You can just DM me on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, that's it. Bye.